Identity theft affects millions of people every year. In the year 2020 alone, 4.8 million people reported either identity theft or credit card fraud to the Federal Trade Commission. Those reports resulted in losses of over $4 billion. Now, in the age of information, anyone can become a victim of identity theft at any point in time. So it's really important to know what tools you can use to look for any sort of things that pop up that tell you you may have been a victim of identity theft. One of the best ways to do that is to check your credit report every single month. You can do that using a free monitoring service like Credit Karma, or from pulling your source credit reports, that's TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, from annualcreditreport.com for free on a monthly basis. Now, when looking at your credit report, there's a few things you want to keep an eye out for that may indicate you've been a victim of identity theft. First is any personally identifying information that does not belong to you showing up on your credit report. Strange names, addresses, information that you do not know or have never heard of that is saying it relates to you. Second, any accounts that show up that you've never heard of or never applied for. Third, any credit inquiries that show up that you did not submit an application for. And fourth, anything in what's called the public records section of your credit report. For example, any lawsuits that may have been filed against you that you've never heard of for an account that you never opened, or anything of that nature. Now, while looking through your credit report, if you see anything that indicates you may have been a victim of identity theft, give us a call. We offer free consultations and would be more than happy to also help you out for free going through what's called the dispute letter dance to dispute any information that may be on your credit report as a result of identity theft. We are also happy to help you go through any of the additional steps that you should complete if you may be a victim of identity theft, which we'll talk about later. So again, any issues that you think may be a result of identity theft, please give us a call here at Ziegler Diamond Law. We're always happy to help.